some breaking news coming in from Chhattisgarh's Bijapur, where 12 Maoists were killed in an encounter with security personnel. The gunfight erupted in the morning in the Indravati National Park area as part of an anti-Maoist operation. Now, while the police confirmed the deaths of 12 Maoists, the exchange of fire was still underway and more details are awaited. Additionally, 2 security personnel have lost their lives and 2 others were injured during the encounter. As of now, a search operation is underway in the region. Let's now go across to Akhil, my colleague who's joining us live. But before I go across to Akhil, my colleague, let's tell you viewers that a search operation continues in the region after the police confirmed the deaths of 12 Maoists. However, 2 security personnel have also lost their lives. We'll bring you more details, but for now, let's shift to some more news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. Now, on the death anniversary of terrorist Afzal Guru, a high alert has been sounded across Jammu and Kashmir. Convoy of security forces halted for the day as police declares dry day for the movement.
Earlier today, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat met the parents of R.G. Kar Hospital rape and murder victim in Kolkata and reportedly assured them that justice would prevail and he would help the family get justice as soon as possible. Bhagwat met the parents of Abhaya during his 10-day tour of West Bengal. The victim's father said that they have sent letters and emails to the offices of the President, Prime Minister and also Home Minister seeking an appointment, but they were yet to get a response. And today, at 3 p.m., a mega silent protest has also been planned for justice for Abhaya. First, let's listen into the reactions coming in. We played the reaction of Abhaya's family. Let's now go across to Ridhita, who's joining us live from Kolkata. Ridhita, a mega protest, a silent protest march has been planned. Take us through what's happening on ground zero.
Exactly, Deepak. So I am currently standing at the R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital, and I'm just standing near the Abhaya Manch, where they have started the protest 6 months back from 9th of August when this horrific incident took place. And you can see the images of protest. The posters are still alive. The aftermath of the protest as that is alive. You can also, I'll just show you that the aftermath of the vandalism that happened on 14th August night to remove the proofs, to hide the proofs, that vandalism is still fresh in R.G. Kar here. So near this gate, here at this gate, the goons broke into R.G. Kar and then they shifted towards the emergency building. And to my left, you can see the emergency building. And if I go towards my right, then you can see the trauma care. So here at the emergency building, at the 4th floor of the emergency building, the seminar hall was there, where this 32-year-old woman, an on-duty doctor was brutally raped and murdered. I'll just show you the image of vandalism. You can see this gate. This gate exactly was broken. This is a collapsible gate. It was broken and now it is kept like this. Somehow they have fixed this portion. If you can see, it is still tilted. The barricades were broken. It's been 6 months and this emergency building's vandalism is still fresh. You can see posters where they have said that hang the rapist. Since 6 months, nothing of this area has been repaired. It is fresh that we see from ground zero of what happened on 14th August night, on how proofs were removed. Bit by bit, every proofs were removed. I'll take you to the trauma care, and here is the Abhaya Manch, where the doctors have been sitting day and night for 3 to 4 months and have been protesting day and night for justice, to seek justice for Abhaya. It is still clear with the visuals of her poster, of her picture, flowers of Ma Durga's picture carrying the dead body of Abhaya, of the dead doctor that we see who was brutally raped and murdered on the night of 9th of August. I will just take you to the trauma care on which was also attacked by these goons after they broke into the emergency ward. So you can see fresh images of holes that are made in the walls of the trauma care as they pelted stone in the building.